Hey, Charles here from AllCoastLawncare&Pressure Washing. Hey, so I got another job. You know what I mean? A house wash to do. They found us on our Google page. Get a Google page, y'all. Get a Google profile page, all right? It works. It helps. Anyway, so I had to make a checklist, all right? Because I don't do this all the time. I'm not real big in pressure washing because my name's not out there for pressure washing. But it's starting to get seen a lot though, because I do a lot of lawn care. Okay, so if this doesn't get big, all right, because I don't do it a lot, it's not repetition, it's not reputation, I may forget something, so I made a checklist, all right? So we're gonna go over the checklist real quick. All right, so this is good to have y'all checklist, all right? Just like a little, make yourself like a little checklist. This is like the basic stuff you need, all right? Okay, the iPro I got in the truck, pressure washer strapped to the trailer, surface cleaner strapped to the trailer, right there, surface cleaner. Okay, right, water hose and pressure washer hose strapped to the trailer, bam, right there. I got SH and surfactant strapped to the trailer, bam, right there, y'all, the surfactant. Okay, sometimes I forget the surfactant, so I got to put that on the list. I got the ladder strapped to the trailer over there. I got the 5-gallon bucket for water only, that's strapped to the trailer, right, so I could rinse out my downstream injector and pressure washer hose. I got the downstream injector that's in the truck, gun, spare gun, 2 ball valves in the truck. All this stuff's in the truck right here, y'all. So let's go look at the truck. But here it is, y'all. Okay, basic pressure washer setup. I am gonna get a ladder rack, all right, shortly. I do have it though. I just gotta put it on the trailer. So I got in here. I got the downstream injector. Well, let's go back to the top. iPro is right there. Look, y'all, I got flyers, okay, to pass out. iPro. I got downstream injector. That's right here. Downstream injector. Okay, I also have a spare downstream injector. I got this gun, spare gun, and 2 ball valves. I got the gun right here. Okay, I need the spare gun. Let's go get the spare gun. See, that's why we gotta do this, y'all. Okay, I almost forgot the spare gun. You always want a spare gun, okay? 1 is none, 2 is 1, all right? Stuff like that, okay? If you have 2 pressure washers, by all means, get 2 pressure washers. Here's a spare gun right here. All right, so let's go put it inside the trailer. All right, so I'll put that right there. You know, it's not repetition, so I don't do this a lot, okay? I got the 2 ball valves. I got 1 ball valve right here. And the other ball valve is, where's it at? Right here. There's the one I use, y'all. All right, because it has the that little swivel thing right there. I think it's called a skunk. So I got 2 ball valves. I got the J-Rod M5 twist with David shooter tip, turbo nozzle. I got all that in here, I already saw it. There's a turbo nozzle right there. So I got a whole bunch of stuff in here. I gotta get this organized. Here's what I'm gonna use right here, the M5 twist and the David shooter tip. And here's the J-Rod. I had to take this out, y'all. There's always a better way to organize this. Actually, this ain't organized though, right? But I know what's in here. Okay, what else we got on the list? So I'll show you the J-Rod M5 twist with David shooter tip, the turbo nozzle, it's in there, channel locks and wrench. I got my channel locks right here. I got my wrenches right there. Let me see them. I got Teflon tape, just in case I gotta like replace an O-ring. I gotta take everything off, replace an O-ring. Painter's tape, plastic bags. Got painter's tape right here. All right, to cover up some electrical appliances. Spare O-rings and needle pick. All right, got a little tool kit right here with spare O-rings and needle pick in there. Also got right here, y'all, a oh shoot, what do you call that? Xjet. I got an Xjet right there. Is that even on the list, the Xjet? I don't got the Xjet on the list. You never know when you may need an Xjet, you know what I'm saying? If you want to like make the make it stronger, the SH stronger, you could just Xjet it, it'll be like a 4%. All right. Other than that, y'all, Here's a list. All right. So I do have extra downstream injectors right here too. I took out of the thing. All right, so tell me what you think of this basic pressure washer trailer of the checklist. What I don't have here is gasoline, all right, fuel. Okay, so I got to put that on here, fuel. But I do have fuel in there, and a piss bottle, just in case you got to take a piss. Go in your truck, raise up the window, take a piss. But you don't want to ask a customer, hey, can I make a head call? Can I use your restroom? That's just unprofessional, right? They may think you're weird. Anyway, y'all, hey, God bless. At all times, stay motivated, work hard, all right? Perform, okay? And get that review once you're done, all right? Make sure you ask them, hey, are you happy with the job? If you have any questions, if they say, oh, that was great, thank you so much. Also, if you don't mind, I may have a review. It really help our Google page out. We will really appreciate it, okay? Always ask for a review, all right? Hey, God bless. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye.